What's up guys, Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, New York Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Yes, the partnership with Browns is official, you already know. So we are coming to Browns East London, Stadium Goods. We will be there. So from New York to London, from Soho to Shoreditch, wherever, we will be in the building at Browns East with some of our most exclusive pairs. And I have one of those right here in front of me, which is the Chanel Pharrell Human Race. So this one was only released at the Colette store that recently closed out in Paris, France. So let's unbox these box tops that you guys can see right here. Pretty much standard for the Human Race styles, but here I have the Chanel Pharrell Human Race NMD. This one in particular is the version 2. So you'll see right off the bat, the Chanel on the right foot, the Pharrell on the left foot. Chanel has never done any collaborations with any other athletic brand, so this is the first of its kind. Fully prime knit upper throughout the entire upper. Pharrell right down the middle of the entire shoe. This one features the black laces, so these black laces also come with 3M hits throughout the black lace. Transition to the back panel features the Pharrell Williams logo that you see right there. We have the plastic caging on the outer panel. We have the full boost midsole with the plastic overlay on the boost midsole. So you guys, this is very soft to the touch. So let's get to the outsole. So as I mentioned, this is the full trail outsole. So this one has a little bit more grip, not built for the snow. The only difference between the two shoes is the Chanel on the right foot and also the Adidas trefoil logo on the back tab. And these come with an additional set of white laces, which also feature the 3M. And I'll give you one last look at the Chanel Pharrell Human Race NMD that will be available not only at Stadium Goods, but also at Browns East. So Shoreditch, we are coming. Please, I will be there. The rest of my Stadium Goods family will be there. The Browns East family will be there. We'll all be there, and we are looking forward to seeing you guys.